Hey gang, Ryan here from The Way We Hunt. Just wanted to give you a brief little video introduction on the giveaway we're doing from Spintech. First of all, I apologize that we're not putting out videos as fast as we normally do. I'm on the injured list right now. The injured list. Yeah, so editing's kind of been a little rough. I got one good hand to do it with, so I just gone a little slow. Anyway, Spintech. We recently went down there, met up with them. If you recall, we just did a video review over their multi-spreader, the 50-pound multi-spreader. You can check that video out right there somewhere for that review. Anyway, so we went down there, met up with them. We bought a big 800-pound protein feeder from them. And while we were down there, they gave us a couple items to give away to you guys. So the first is the Spintech replacement spinning plate. Comes with the funnel. That mounts up to this plate. Basically what this is a replacement spinner plate, exactly what it says, I guess. If you have an existing feeder, corn feeder, anything like that, with just a traditional spinner plate on it, this replaces that entire system. You unbolt it from the little shaft that comes out of the motor, you put this new spinner plate on, comes with the spring system that made Spintech famous for what they do. And then the replacement funnel just changes out the regular funnel on your feeder. I don't think we covered this, but the way the Spintech mechanism works is as it spins, it opens up from the funnel, allowing the corn, whatever, to flow out, spreads all your feed, and then as it shuts off, it slams back home. So there's no exposed corn, there's no exposed feed, nothing like that for the critters to get at or the wind or anything like that. It keeps it dry. So in theory, it's almost impossible for a coon or something to get up in there and steal your corn, or a squirrel or birds or anything like that, so you're not feeding the critters other than the ones you want to feed. They've given us two of these away, or they've given us two of them to give away to you guys. And so if you go to our Instagram, check it out. You need to go over and like Spintech. You need to like our page, tag a couple buddies, and then watch our review of the Spintech multi-spreader on our YouTube channel. Leave a comment. These things are worth, I'm on their website right now, $36.99, so $37 before tax, before shipping, anything like that. So we're going to give two of these away. And then we also have the Hog Snare. I'm getting ready to play the video and let Andrew explain what all that is. Kind of a cool, fun toy. We're going to have to give that to someone down in the Texas area, probably. It's not legal here in Oklahoma to use a snare, so we're going to give it to some of our friends down there. If you guys want it, same thing. Go to the Spintech review video we did on YouTube, leave a comment, like their page, like our page, and tag a couple buddies, and we will send it to you. It's actually really fun. We've kind of messed around with it a little bit here, just to kind of see what it's all about. It's kind of neat. So anyway, I'll roll a video now. Appreciate you guys stopping by, and hope you guys win. So let us know. See you guys.
All right, Ryan, a couple gifts for you to give away to your followers. We got the patented Spintech mechanism. Everything you need to get it installed onto your feeder. It works on a 6 or a 12 volt feeder, so whatever you have, no worries. Also giving away a funnel, which is kind of something you need to install the mechanism. It's for the mechanism to press against, because the way it works is it stays sealed shut against your feeder.
Nice. And, so yeah, raccoons can't get in there, squirrels, wind, anything like that.
Nothing like that. They won't. Nothing spinning. You don't see any exposed corn. And so to facilitate that seal, you need to have a funnel for it to press against. So we're going to go ahead and give your followers a funnel too.
Nice.
With two self-tapping screws, you just install the funnel, and then onto your feeder, you're going to install the mechanism right here. So a couple of lucky followers of yours are going to be able to check out Spintech, kind of our bread and butter, the thing that started it all. They'll be getting a couple of those.
Now, I might leave it up to you guys on how we give those away. I've got a couple ideas. If you got a great idea, leave a comment below and let us know, because it might be you that gets it. Never know.
There you go. There you go. I know Ryan's got all kinds of ideas up his sleeve. But anyway, we got these two going right here, and then as a bonus, something I don't think we brought up before, we're going to also give away, or give Ryan to give away, a Hog Snare. This is something else that we offer that I don't think we've really brought too much attention to.
No, I've never heard of that.
Yeah, it's a little snare. It's for snaring hogs, obviously. It's called the Hog Snare, and it's a pressure loaded cable, And what you do is you set this up, you kind of bury it in some leaves, a little bit of twigs and whatnot, and it's a pressure plate. So whenever a hog steps on it, it's going to snare it. We recommend baiting it with something rotten, something stinky. Go ahead and have at it. They're pretty fun to set up. Try one out. They actually work best in groups. So if you try one, you like it, get a couple, because you'll be seeing a herd of hogs getting popped left and right. It's fun to watch.
Nice. I think I might know a couple lucky viewers that might be recipient of that.
Awesome, man. Yeah, this thing is nice and easy, ready to go, easy to set up. So all this stuff right here, y'all be good to Ryan, because it's all in his hands now.
All right, so anyway, that's it. The contest ends March 25th. I know I said in there, you know, if you find a way for us to give it away or something, leave a comment below. We've just decided to do it like everybody else does, I think. You know, like Spintech, like us, tag a couple buddies, watch the video, leave a comment, and that'll put you in the running. We're going to do a random drawing on March 25th for both of the Spintech feeders and the Hog Snare. So thanks a lot for watching. This is our first kind of giveaway. We're excited about it. Hope you guys are in the running for it. These really do make a big difference on your feeders. You're not wasting a ton of money feeding all the critters except the ones you want to. So appreciate you guys stopping by. Talk to you soon. We're out of here.